Hey guys, it's Saturday. You know what that means. It's time for another show, so let's get started. Welcome everybody to Plumbing with Tim. Hey, if this is the first time stumbling across my channel, take a second to drop down and hit the subscribe button. That way you're not going to miss any of my awesome videos. I'm going to take a couple quick moments today and give you a few short, small, sweet tips on how you can deal with the big meal that's coming up tomorrow for Easter. So beautiful Easter weekend, spring break, all that good stuff. If you're planning on having guests over to the house tomorrow for Easter and you got a big meal and lots of kids and other relatives coming over, take a few minutes today while you have a chance and get yourself prepared when it comes to the plumbing in your home. We're going to be talking about your bathrooms and your toilets. Make sure you don't throw any kind of cleaners in the back of your toilet tank, like the blue stuff to make the water look pretty. Who cares about all that stuff? It's going to ruin the parts in the back of your toilet tank. Also, on top of that, make sure don't leave any kind of wet wipes, flushable wipes sitting out where it's going to tempt the people to use them and flush them in your toilet, because before you know it, you're going to have poop water all over the floor, and you don't need that when grandma and grandpa and uncle and aunt and all the kids and everybody are over. Most importantly is the kitchen. What comes with Easter? Usually a large meal with all that good gravy and the ham and the mashed potatoes and all that good stuff. Yeah, it's great. Everybody loves to eat that. What happens when the meal's done? Somebody's got to clean it up. Today is actually a good day for you to get prepared by taking a few moments and maybe going out to a wholesale club or to your grocery store or whatever and pick yourself up plenty of paper towels, as well as maybe some paper plates, and make sure to have some empty grocery bags laying around for the cleanup. Form yourself some sort of game plan. It's tough to keep an eye on everybody and what they're doing when they come to your house and stuff, but make sure people aren't throwing food into the sink or running it down a garbage disposal and all that other stuff. Have those grocery bags prepared. That way when somebody's done eating their meal, that food goes into a grocery bag and out to the trash and not down your kitchen sink. It doesn't end there though. Once the food is thrown out, make sure to take your plates and all that other good stuff, this is where the paper towels come, and wipe them plates down really good by hand first before you throw them into the sink or the dishwasher and think that hot water and a bunch of that other stuff is going to take care of the problem, because it's not. Why is this any kind of different than any other day? Well, first of all, you're having a large meal on a larger scale with a lot more people, so that means a lot more food waste, a lot more grease and garbage going down your kitchen drain. Now, if you've seen in other videos that I've put out before, your kitchen drain is the dirtiest drain in the house. Now you're adding it by 10 times with all the people and all the food and all that garbage and stuff. So be mindful before you start flushing a bunch of stuff down a garbage disposal and all that other stuff. Hey, who wants to be bothered with all that stuff? You want to be in and out of that kitchen as fast as you can and be hanging out with the rest of the family. Well, trust me, you don't want that, because next thing you know, come Monday morning, you're calling me and I'm having to come out and clean all those drains because you didn't take a couple minutes. Just be mindful of what food and grease and all that other stuff does to your kitchen drain. Hey, most importantly, have fun. Enjoy the time spent with family. Family is very important, but just take a few minutes. That way you're going to protect yourself. One of the most busiest times for drain cleaning when it comes to my job is right after the holidays, and it usually has to do with either a clogged main line because a guest flushed maybe a feminine product or a wipe or something down the toilet, or the kitchen drain's all clogged up from all the greasy goodness and the mashed potatoes and the gravy and all that other stuff comes with it. So just be mindful. All right, you can't avoid everything at all times, but if you follow simple few tips that I've given you, you may end up getting through this and not have to call me come Monday morning and have to pay out a bill for me to clean them drains. So there you guys have it. I hope this video has helped you out in one way or another. Hey, I got them all day long. Remember, plumbing never sleeps and it's non-forgiving. Follow a couple simple tips and have yourself a preparedness list, and you'll thank me. We'll get through this and we'll all have a great weekend to talk about, and you won't have to be calling me come Monday morning. So until next time, this has been Plumbing with Tim. Happy Easter. Don't forget to save me a plate. Keep plumbing.